Today, we're taking you on a journey that combines the thrill of a legendary boat ride with the elegance of wine tasting at Niagara Falls. Our first stop is the Voyage to the Falls boat tour. Get ready for the legendary boat ride that takes you into the very heart of Niagara Falls. Feel the mist, hear the roar, and experience the power of one of the world's most famous natural wonders. Whether you're here for the adventure or the awe-inspiring views, the Voyage to the Falls boat tour is an experience you won't forget. And the excitement doesn't stop there. Join us for the Falls Fireworks Cruise, where you'll witness a spectacular display of fireworks right over the falls. It's the perfect way to end a day of adventure with a touch of magic. Next, let's switch gears to something a bit more relaxing but equally delightful: wine tasting. Looking for a fun and memorable wine tasting experience in Niagara? Join our tour group and explore wineries along the picturesque Niagara Trail. Our wine tours are perfect for groups of 2 to 6 people. So, whether you're seeking adventure, romance, or simply a great time with friends, our Niagara Falls Adventure Tour with Voyage to the Falls Boat Tour and wine tasting has something for everyone. Join us and create memories that will last a lifetime. Book your tour today with ToNiagara, and let the adventure begin.